Hi everyone, and welcome to BitBytes, the video series that takes you on an exciting journey of mobile DevOps with Bitrise. If you're new to the world of mobile CI/CD, don't worry, we've got your back. I'm Leela Squires, a developer advocate at Bitrise, and I am thrilled to be your guide on this adventure. I'm passionate about mobile app development and have a background with iOS engineering, QA automation, and mobile DevOps. I'm joined by my teammate, Moataz Nabil, a fellow developer advocate at Bitrise, who has a background in software engineering, testing, DevOps, and cloud computing. Together, we'll walk you through the basics of Bitrise, the powerful mobile CI/CD platform that automates your app builds, testing, and app releases. But that's not all. We'll also explore Mobile DevOps, a set of practices that help you release high-quality mobile apps with greater speed and efficiency. Now we'll cover everything you need to know to get started, like creating a free Bitrise account, adding your first app, managing your app and workspace, using the workflow editor, triggering builds, running tests, and show you how to use caching to become more efficient. We'll also show you how to customize workflows with script steps, check build logs, artifacts, and test reports, and prepare your app for release with how-tos on code signing, beta releases, and App Store and Google Play Store submissions. Whether you're a solo developer or part of a team, you'll find that the principles and practices we cover in this series will help you deliver better mobile apps with confidence and ease. Now, to join us on this adventure, you'll need a Git service account like a GitHub account, a sample mobile app, and a developer ID for Apple and or Google to submit your apps to the App Store. Now, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and tune in for future episodes of BitBytes. We'd love to hear your feedback and suggestions for future topics, so please do not hesitate to reach out and join us in our community conversation over at discuss.bitrise.io. Thank you again for watching, and hopefully we see you in the next video.